What's going on, cylinder junkies? So today we have my little surprise, and it is going to hopefully make the interior look 10 times better. So your boy took the liberty of going ahead and buying pretty much a full kit, all except for maybe one or two pieces of some carbon fiber layovers, I guess you could call them, for the interior. So that's what we're going to be installing today. I've got pretty much the whole dash, the little, things on the door, as well as the whole middle console. And I'm kind of excited about this one because the fact that the interior of the Mustang is just bland gets on my nerves, and I don't think that they really chose a good color for the inside. But we're gonna go ahead and get everything wiped down and go ahead and start pilling and sticking, and then we'll see if choosing the somewhat cheaper alternative, well, good amount cheaper alternative on Amazon is actually a bang for your buck or not. Okay, so this is basically what we got in here right now. It's this whole kind of, I guess you could say, brushed metallic looking silver. I don't think it's the best, but for now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and just basically take everything that I have right here off to go ahead and make way in the car. Jesus Christ, looks like it was in there, to make room for us to go ahead and get it done. But yep, I think I'm gonna buy this piece eventually. I don't really mind the black as much as I do this silver. And then I don't believe I bought anything for the steering wheel, but that's simply because I'm gonna be changing up the steering wheel soon, sometime, with the one that's got the little red right here, and then it's got pretty much carbon fiber and mesh and whatnot.
And it is a flat bottom steering wheel. Correct.
But as you can see, they gave us little Japanese little, I guess,
what's that say?
Alcohol wipes, adhesion promoter. So, are you not too close right now? So we're gonna start with something little because she thinks that I'm not ready for the big stuff.
I just think if you were gonna mess up anything, it should be the door handles.
Yeah. Ooh, this shit brings back my childhood. Smell that?
Ew.
What is
it? Smells like nail polish.
Nah, it smells like the little things you used to have the straw and blow into, and it make it.
Oh, you're right. It does smell exactly like that.
All right, so I guess, are we supposed to let this dry before we put it on? Or are you supposed to? It's adhesion promoter. I thought it was alcohol.
I don't know. Read the back. Look at the instructions.
Yeah, it's Japanese.
We need a translator. Oh wait. Tear open the plastic package. Remove the wipe cleaner. Wipe the clean object evenly. Wait a few seconds. Did you know I read Japanese?
Stop. Pretty sure I can probably just go. I'm already fucking it up. I'd say overall it's not that bad looking, I guess. It's not like a perfect fit by no means, but I mean, for the price you pay, you get what you get. All right, so we got the other one put on over there, and then we just kind of did that off camera. Now we're gonna go ahead and continue with little stuff like she said, because I'm gonna listen to her for once in my life, and we're gonna do this next small piece before we get into the big ones, and that's the ones that I'm excited about, is the big ones. Now,
ew,
coming off.
Yeah, it smells like nail polish remover, or somebody fucked up right there and they painted over it. And
that's what I feel like. The dealership, I really think the dealership painted right here. Whatever, fuck them. You think that's pressed enough? I don't know how you people be fucking this shit up. Damn, did I fuck that up too?
I was about to say, insert the video of you fucking it up later on in this video.
Good enough. Right now, we're gonna cut the video. We're gonna get that side over there done. Then we're gonna move on to the next piece. Should I just smack it on there anyways?
Yeah, fuck it.
Fuck them. Fuck, we'll sign something right there. Fuck them.
Yep.
Damn. I think his shit's just eating through this shit, to be honest with you. Looks like I'm gonna have a gap right here. We decided against giving a fuck. I'm sure I can find like a little badge or something cool.
And it looks good around the circle. What do you
think so? Yeah. Can smack right there. I mean, if you can just be okay with that, looking. Oh, I guess it's supposed to. Yeah. No, I did good. Motherfucker. Dude, this shit's gonna look fucking dope. I definitely do. Oh, dang.
This is the one I told you shouldn't
peel it off. It doesn't say airbag anymore. Oh, we're sending it back. I just hate that this is a known problem. If you got an S197, just know this is a known fucking problem. They recalled these goddamn airbags, and every time I poke it, I'm waiting for it to just go. Nice.
Next up.
She seems to be doing a pretty much better job than I am at getting the alignment a lot better than I've been able to, but you get what you pay for at the end of the day. Yeah. Well, that was weird. The guy straight up stopped, didn't roll down his window, and was basically pounding on his chest like that and giving me a thumbs up. I assume it's because we're working on the Mustang, but...
Correct.
Huh?
Trump flag.
Oh, the Trump flag. I don't think it's god-awful, but I'm just OCD as shit. I think she can contest to that and everything. But for now, we're going to go ahead and start on this one. And then we'll probably do a quick wipe down to get all this sticky stuff off of everything. But I think it is coming out looking a lot better. All right, so now we are moving on to the center piece. I'm not a huge fan of the gap, but I think we're gonna have something a little trickery up our sleeve to hopefully get it looking better. Hopefully not more tacky, but I guess we'll see, right? And believe it or not, this was the most expensive piece out of all of them.
The H line.
She was so die hard on getting the last piece put in. I'm pretty sure I can go online and buy this last part right here, which is probably what I'm going to do after looking at it. I'm not sure if they have one or not. I'd assume they would, considering they have this piece. But, yeah. I don't think it would look bad without it, but it definitely needs a more of a completed look. I'll look into buying that.
Well, it's all done.
Yep, we officially got everything done. Like I said, I'm not a huge fan of the fitment, but we're going to see what we can do to get it at least looking somewhat better. As she zooms in on this stuff part. And then, yeah, I think at the end of the day, versus paying $300 just for this one spot right here, for $177, like you said, you get what you pay for. But I've never seen the $300 one in person. But I could only assume that you can't really do much better than this, to be honest. Anyways, that's what we're looking like. You want to give them an outside view real quick? I think it changed up the interior quite a bit. Made it look more dark in there for sure. But yeah, buddy. I'm gonna go ahead and reinstall everything else that I usually have. 100% that one piece that's not covered is going to bother the hell out of me. So I'm gonna get that on order probably soon. I think when I put the carbon fiber steering wheel in, it's gonna look way better. She's behind the camera going,
I have to sneeze.
And then, anyways, if you haven't, like, comment, subscribe. I really need the interaction right now, trying to get my channel to go up. I've gotten quite a bit of subscribers since. I'm having an issue with my long videos catching drift in the wind. My shorts are skyrocketing. If you've seen this on TikTok, swing on over to my YouTube channel, subscribe. If you want to bring it over here, you can see we officially, if you didn't peep in the short that I put on Instagram, we have officially put crafted cylinders on the top for people to see and subscribe if they would like to. And then, yeah, other than that, see you guys. We'll work on this. Other than that,